In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compose and send an email in SparkMail on iPhone. We'll go from opening the app to sending a polished message step by step. I'll show you exactly where to tap and share quick, practical tips so you can send with confidence in just a few moments. First, open the SparkMail app on your iPhone. Tap the blue icon with the paper airplane to launch it. When your inbox appears, confirm you're in the right account if you use more than one. You'll see your messages listed and the main controls around the edges. We're focusing only on composing today, so once the inbox loads, you're ready. Tap the Compose button, the pencil icon in the bottom right. A new message window opens with the essential fields. If the keyboard doesn't appear right away, tap into the first field to bring it up. Tap the To field and type the recipient's email address. As you type, Spark may suggest recent contacts. Tap a suggestion to fill it in. Take a moment to confirm the spelling so your message reaches the correct inbox. If you select the wrong contact, tap the address to edit or remove it before moving on. Next, tap the Subject field and enter a short, clear subject line. Think of it as the headline of your message, specific enough to set expectations at a glance. On mobile, concise subjects are easier to scan and understand. Now move to the message area labeled Say Something and type your email. Open with a polite greeting, then get to your main point early so the purpose is immediately clear. Add supporting details in a couple of short paragraphs and keep sentences concise for readability on small screens. Before sending, do a quick proofread for typos, names, dates, and links, and make sure the tone matches what you intend. Finish with a simple closing and your name to keep things professional but friendly. When you're satisfied, tap Send, the paper airplane icon in the top right. Spark will send your email and return you to the inbox, and you may see a brief confirmation. If you notice an issue right away, open your Sent folder and follow up with a quick correction. And that's it. Open Spark, compose your message, and send it off with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.